Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Bell Fiber Internet all by yourself. It's easier than you think. So, if you're tired of slow internet speeds and want that blazing fast fiber, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, inside your Bell Fiber Internet installation kit, you'll find a few important things. Let's do a quick checklist of what's most important to you. Number 1, the modem. This is your new best friend for the next few years. Number 2, the ONT cable, also called the optical network terminal. This is what connects your home to the Bell's fiber internet. It looks like this white device, and it's installed by a technician. Number 3, a power adapter, which looks like this. Can't go online without power, eh? Number 4 is an Ethernet cable, which you will not use for the basic setup. And then there will be a self-installation guide, which you hopefully not need after watching this video. Now, as I mentioned, this optical network terminal or ONT will be installed by the Bell technician, and then they're gonna leave you with this long white wire hanging from it, which has the other end that looks like this. And it has a warning sign on it which says don't look directly into it because it can blind you. First up, take your optical cable and insert it into the modem. It won't fit right in because it comes with a cap which you have to pull off like this. You, you take this and try to align this with this bar side facing up, and it should fit right in. When you hear a click, it means that it's plugged in. Pretty easy, eh? Next, let's get the modem powered up. Take up your power cord and plug it into the power brick like this. So this is the brick, this is the power cord. You insert it all the way in, make sure it's tight, and this should be a whole unit like this. Now, plug the power cord into a nearby outlet. This looks good enough. And finally, connect the power brick to the modem. Once you have done that, the modem will start up automatically. So you find your power port like this, put this thing in here, turn the device around, and wait for the magic to happen. Now that the modem is connected and powered on, it will take a few minutes to set up. Don't worry if the lights blink for a while. It's just doing its thing. Grab a coffee or check your phone while it finishes. And it's gonna take a few minutes, so don't worry about that. Once the modem is ready, you should see your Wi-Fi network pop up. Just connect to it with the default name and password. And you can find the default name and password on the back of the modem. And then you're good to go. It should look something like this. Right here, Wi-Fi name, network name, and Wi-Fi password. That's it. You have successfully set up Bell Fiber Internet in just a few steps. If this video helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to test your internet speed directly on your modem. No need for any extra devices. The modem itself can do the test for you. Here's how. First, find the OK button on your modem. Press it to bring up the menu on the screen like this. Now, use the down arrow button on the modem to scroll through the menu until you find Test Internet Speed. Once Test Internet Speed is highlighted, press OK again to start the test. The modem will take a few moments to run the test. Just wait while it checks your speed. And there you have it. You should now see your download and upload speed displayed right on the modem screen. Quick and easy, eh? No extra devices needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.